After months of review, the Sonoma County DA has decided not to pursue criminal charges against the Bishop of the Santa Rosa Catholic Diocese. That is tonight's top story.
Now today, the district attorney says he'll require that Daniel Walsh serve 4 months in a diversion program, and that has some crying foul. Bishop Walsh has been under investigation for failing to report alleged sexual misconduct by a Sonoma Valley priest in a timely manner. Critics claim the lapse allowed the accused priest, Father Xavier Ochoa, time to flee the country. TV 50's Cindy Chen has the latest.
Yes, I'm pleased that I'm not going to court.
Bishop Daniel Walsh says he's grateful and relieved for the first time since news broke that a priest he had just defrocked for allegedly molesting children escaped authorities under his watch. District Attorney Stephen Pasalacqua says he's decided not to file criminal charges against the bishop for failing to alert authorities until 4 days later.
We reached this decision after looking at numerous documents and reached this decision based on the bishop admitting wrongdoing. He has no prior record and he is eligible for this program.
The DA says depending on the situation, a failure to report could carry a 1-year prison sentence. But in this case, Pasalacqua says the bishop doesn't meet the criteria to merit jail time and will attend a diversion program instead. The attorney for Father Xavier Ochoa's alleged victims is accusing the DA of giving special treatment to the bishop.
Let's not delude ourselves, but the Gang of 13 here in the county, these are the most prominent, the richest, the most powerful people in this community who I believe had a stake in seeing that nothing happens to their beloved bishop.
Under the agreement, Bishop Walsh will be monitored in an adult diversion program just down the street from the diocese. That means Bishop Walsh will be undergoing 4 months of counseling and gaining a better understanding of what he's required to do under the law as a mandatory reporter of sexual abuse. Attorney Michael Fiumara says that's not enough, and the bishop has to pay for the costly mistakes he's made.
The only loss here will be the victims who feel like there's nobody there to protect them. And I don't want this to repeat itself. Nobody in this community does.
The DA stands by his decision and insists his offer is typical for a minor case like this one. Bishop Walsh says he understands the scope of his actions and has been open from day one to face his consequences.
Whatever the district attorney decided, I was willing to accept. I said that from the very first moment, that I accepted that I had made a mistake.
In Santa Rosa, Cindy Chen, TV 50 News.